Hi everyone, welcome to David Train Time. If it's your first time here, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get all my notifications when I upload. This is update 9. There is a big change about to happen, which I will take you off tripod in a minute, and I'll take the camera around and show you exactly what I've been doing and what is going to be done. Thank you for tuning in. On with the video. Thank you. Right, if I start here, I can show you that I have placed some of the track down ready, which is along this bit here, going up round. That's where that track's going to be. If I slightly bring you around and show you up this side here, you can see I've laid down the track where I want the track to be over there. If we come over this side over here, I can show you this is where my little boy section is, where he's going to have his Thomas section. Also, you can see I've got the track laid over the back over there, ready in position, so I've roughly got an idea of where that's going to go. If I come over this side here, move the camera around for you like that, you can see I've laid down the track along here, and I've laid the track up there as well. Well, this is where I'm going to change it. I'm going to take all of this out here. I'm also going to take out this bit here where the hill is, over there. I am going, sorry about that. I am going to move all of this out in a minute and try and take it out in one piece, because I've just ordered some polystyrene, and I'm going to cover all of this, all of these bits. I'm going to cover all of the boards in polystyrene. All of this is going to come out. I'm going to move all of this and try and take all this out in one section. It is going to be a big change. I'm going to see around here. Look, I've put the track roughly where it's going to go, so I know roughly where the track is going to be now. Oh, maybe train time. I am going to have a raised section, which is going to go all the way along the back of here, and it's going to run all the way around the whole entire layout. Run all the way around there. So I will put the tripod up in a minute and show you this section taken out, and I'll let you all see this section being took out and see what you think. I am going to redo all the scenery over here and redo all of this. Once the polystyrene comes, which should come tomorrow, I'm going to cover all the boards, use the polystyrene for the back scenes as well. It's polystyrene, it's polystyrene foam. It's virtually the same stuff I found what they Woodland Scenics use, so it's going to be pretty much the same as that stuff, but I found it on eBay a lot cheaper than Woodland Scenics do. Also, I don't know if you can really tell, but the room has had a great big tidy up. I've cleaned it all up and sorted it all out. Got rid of all the rolling stock off it. Took all the buildings out from over this section over here. I don't know if you can see, but the stuff I've took out is over there in the back. Right down there at the background. Put the light on, just there. I've also got the oil change open day I went to. I'll put my poster up from there. So I'll be carry on with taking out this section over here. Right, now, as you can see, I took all of this out over here now. That's all gone. Luckily, if I come over here, I can show you it's all out now. All I've got left to do really is take out these bushes and bits and bobs, which won't be a problem. But as you can see, I got it all out in one go, which wasn't too bad actually. And it's easy to move. If you can see, you can move the camera around here. You can see it does all move quite easy for me. And so I will be putting that back down there once I've done all of this and sorted all of this out. The reason I'm having the polystyrene sheets is so if I want to do a canal or a river, it's a bit easier for me. And as I said, it'd be easier for me to do a top layer across there, going all the way around here. Go all the way around this bit along here, because this section here is going to be closed off with a back scene, and that will go all the way up there. So until tomorrow, which I will be doing more update videos now and cracking on with this layout. There will be a lot more done and a lot more to see. We'll pan around and show you. You can see it's out all over there, is done now. It's all clear. All along here. All the way around and all along here. So, until tomorrow. Well, so thank you all for watching. Please like the video, comment, feel free to comment and ask me any questions or anything you want to know about the layout. Also, hit the bell to get all my notifications. Don't forget to subscribe. I am going to try and do more of these update videos. I've recently done a video on Shrewsbury model train exhibition. I've done one on Shrewsbury train station. I've also been to Stourbridge as well. And I also went to Hunts Heath Open Day. There has been quite a bit going on. That's why I've lacked a little bit in the layout, but it is going to continue now. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Bye from David Train Time. See you all on the next one.